Hello, my dear students of class 6 English medium. Today I am discussing a portion from the chapter Weather and Climate, chapter 7. The name of the portion is the temperature of air, which is not the same at all places. So, what are the reasons behind this? First, the Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of 66.5 degree to its orbital plane. So this is very important. The Earth axis is tilted 66.5 to its orbital plane. In summer, the sun rays fall vertically. As we know that in summertime the sun rays fall vertically on the Earth's surface. So automatically the temperature increases, the temperature remains high. But in the case of winter season, the sun rays fall obliquely on the Earth's surface. So naturally the temperature reduces, decreases, drops. So the angle at which sunlight strikes the Earth's surface is called the angle of incidence of sunlight on Earth. So page number 51 of your textbook, or you will find that here are two pictures, vertical rays and oblique rays. So the portion of the earth where the sunlight falls perpendicularly is warmer. So vertical in summertime, the sun rays falls vertically. So uh, the sunlight falls perpendicularly. It creates a very hot and humid and warmer. The atmosphere is very warmer. Where the sunlight is incident at a greater angle. Where the sunlight is incident at a greater angle and the temperature is less. So places receiving highly oblique sunlight are very cold throughout the year. So places receiving highly oblique sunlight are very cold throughout the year. Okay, so these are the difference between vertical rays and oblique rays. Clear? We have to understand this the difference because the vertical rays always falls perpendicular on the earth's surface or vertically on the earth's surface, but oblique rays falls uh, oblique sun rays also it falls in a oblique way on the earth's surface. So in case of vertical rays, uh, a small area is more heated, more heat on a small area, but in the case of oblique rays, less heat on a bigger area. Okay, these are actually the slight difference between the two. And you will find another picture, north pole and south pole, middle portion is equator 0 degree. So north pole first more oblique than oblique, but middle portion is equator is 0 degree is vertical, then oblique and more oblique. Next south pole. Okay, next temperature decreases with increasing altitude. Temperature decreases with increasing altitude. And at the time of increasing altitude, the temperature normally decreases. This is very important. Actually, drop in temperature with increase in height. If the height increases, the temperature decreases. The Earth's surface is heated up by energy from the sun. As I mentioned, that the Earth's surface is heated by energy from the sun. As one moves higher up, and the colder it gets, temperature falls at a rate of 1 degree centigrade for every 165 meters, or by 6.5 degree centigrade for every 100 meters. This is very important. Proximity to the sea is a moderating influence on the climate of a place. In these places, the range of temperature is never high. Delhi and Mumbai, the example of two cities, Delhi and Mumbai, among them which city has moderate climate. Okay, and you have to find out which one has extreme climate. This is actually the question. So this is very important, because when the height with the when the height increase, temperature normally decreases, drops. Okay, clear. Next, isotherm. What is isotherm? First, the imaginary line drawn on a map joining the places with the same temperature is called an isotherm. So first thing, an imaginary line drawn on a map, and as we find the imaginary line in map, joining the places, and it also adds or joins the places which um, there prevails the same temperature is called an isotherm. What are the characteristics of isotherm? First, difference of temperature is more between two poles. Difference of temperature is more between two places. The isotherm are closely spaced, and if the difference is less, isotherm are spaced far apart. First, second, since there are more water bodies in southern hemisphere, the isotherm in this hemisphere are situated farther away from each other compared to the northern hemisphere. Isotherm never touched or intersect with each other. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.